Today we will solve exercise 1A. Question first. Write 4 rational numbers equivalent to each of the following rational numbers. First is 2 upon 9. To find 4 equivalent rational number, we multiply the rational number 2 upon 9 by 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4 and 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18. 4 upon 18 is the first rational number equivalent to 2 upon 9. For second, we multiply 2 upon 9 by 3. So 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6 and 9 multiplied by 3 equals to 27. 6 upon 27 is the second rational number equivalent to 2 upon 9. To find third, we multiply 2 upon 9 by 4, both numerator and denominator by 4. So 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8 and 9 multiplied by 4 equals to 36. 8 upon 36 is the third equivalent rational number equal to 2 upon 9. Now 2 upon 9 multiplied by 5 to find fourth rational number equivalent to 2 upon 9. So 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10 and 9 multiplied by 5 equals to 45. Hence the required equivalent rational number are 4 upon 18, 6 upon 27, 8 upon 36 and 10 upon 45. Similarly, to find 4 equivalent rational number of minus 3 upon 5, we multiply minus 3 upon 5 by 2, 3, 4 and 5. So minus 3 multiplied by 2 equals to minus 6 and 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Now minus 3 multiplied by 3 equals to minus 9 and 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. Minus 3 multiplied by 4 equals to minus 12 and 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. Minus 3 multiplied by 5 equals to minus 15 and 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. Hence the required equivalent rational number are minus 6 upon 10, minus 9 upon 15, minus 12 upon 20 and minus 15 upon 25. Question 2. Write the following rational number in a standard form. First is 15 upon 20. A rational number is said to be in standard form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor. 15 upon 20, both numerator and denominator is divisible by 5. 15 divided by 5 equals to 3 and 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. Standard form of 15 upon 20 is 3 upon 4. Now we see that both numerator and denominator have no common factor. Therefore the simplest or standard form of 15 upon 20 is 3 upon 4. Now question B. 64 upon 72. Here both 64 and 72 is divisible by table of 8. 64 divided by 8 equals to 8 and 72 divided by 8 equals to 9. Now we see that 8 upon 9 have no common factors. Therefore the standard form of 64 upon 72 is 8 upon 9. Question third. Write the absolute value of each of the following number. First is 17 upon 24. So first we understand what is absolute value. Absolute value is the distance a digit is away from 0. For example, absolute value of 3 is 3 because the distance of 3 from 0 is 3 unit. 1, 2, 3. So the absolute value of 3 is 3. Now we see what is the absolute value of minus 3. Absolute value of minus 3 is also 3 because the distance of minus 3 from 0 is 3 unit. 1, 2, 3. It means absolute value of any negative number is also a positive number. For example, absolute value of minus 3 is 3 and absolute value of 3 is also 3. Now we start our solution. 17 upon 24. The absolute value of 17 upon 24 and minus 6 upon 35 are, we write absolute value in mod. Modulus of 17 upon 24 is equals to 17 upon 24. Any number comes out from mod is always positive. And second one is minus 6 upon 35. Modulus minus 6 upon 35. If minus 6 upon 35 comes out from mod, it is always positive because absolute value of a rational number is always positive. Now question 4. Write the rational number whose absolute value is 5 upon 6. Now we have to write the rational number whose absolute value is 5 upon 6. So see, First number is 5 upon 6 because modulus of 5 upon 6 is 5 upon 6, and modulus of minus 5 upon 6 is also equals to 5 upon 6. Thus 5 upon 6 and minus 5 upon 6 are the rational number whose absolute value is 5 upon 6. Question 5. Using the number line shown below, fill in the blanks by writing greater or smaller. First one is minus 1 and minus 1 upon 2. Now we see this number on number line. Minus 1 and 1 upon 2. Here minus 1 is in the left hand side and 1 upon 2 is in the right hand side. So a number lying to the right hand side is always greater. It means minus 1 upon 2 is greater than minus 1. Now question 2. 1 and minus 2. On number line, minus 2 is in the left hand side and 1 is in the right hand side. So number lying to the right hand side is greater. It means 1 is greater than minus 2. Question 3. 0 and minus 3. On number line, 0 is in the right hand side and minus 3 is in the left hand side. So number lying to the right hand side is greater. It means 0 is greater than minus 3. Question D. Minus 5 and minus 4. Now we check minus 5 and minus 4 on number line. Minus 5 and minus 4. Here minus 4 is in the right hand side and minus 5 is in the left hand side. So a number lying to the right hand side is greater. So minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Question 6. Which pairs of rational number are not equivalent? First pair is 15 upon 19 and minus 15 upon minus 19. To check they are equal, we let this number, rational number, equals to P upon Q and R upon S equals to minus 15 upon minus 19. If P multiplied by S equals to Q multiplied by R, then the pairs of rational number are equivalent. So P multiplied by S, value of P is 15 and value of S is 19. 15 multiplied by minus 19 equals to minus 285. Now Q multiplied by R, value of Q is 19 multiplied by R equals to minus 15. 19 multiplied by minus 15 equals to minus 285. Here P multiplied by S equals to Q multiplied by R. Hence our rational number minus 15 upon 19 and 15 upon 19 are equivalent rational number. If P multiplied by S is not equals to Q multiplied by R, then we say that the pairs of rational number are not equivalent. Question 2. 28 upon minus 49 and minus 4 upon 7. To check these pairs are equivalent, first we make the denominator minus 49 positive. We can write 28 upon minus 49 as minus 28 upon 49. Now we let P upon Q equals to upon 49 and R upon S equals to minus 4 upon 7. If P multiplied by S equals to Q multiplied by R, then pairs of rational number are equivalent. P multiplied by S, value of P is minus 28 and value of S is 7. Minus 28 multiplied by 7 equals to minus 196. Now Q multiplied by R, value of Q is 49 multiplied by value of R is minus 4. 49 multiplied by minus 4 equals to minus 196. Here P multiplied by S equals to Q multiplied by R. Therefore the given pair 28 upon minus 49 and minus 4 upon 7 are equivalent rational number. Question 7. Compare and write greater, smaller or equal in the blanks to make a true statement. First is minus 8 upon 15 and the second rational number is minus 7 upon 30. Now to check which rational number is greater, first we let minus 8 upon 15 equals to A upon B and minus 7 upon 30 equals to C upon D. To check which rational number is greater, there is some rule which we call cross product rule. There are two cases. If AD, product of A multiplied by D is greater than product of B multiplied by C, then rational number A upon B is greater than C upon D. Case 2, if product of AD is less than product of BC, then rational number A upon B is less than C upon D. Now we find product of A multiplied by D. Value of A is minus 8 and value of D is 30. Minus 8 multiplied by 30 equals to minus 240, and product of B multiplied by C. Value of B is 15 and value of C is minus 7. 15 multiplied by minus 7 equals to minus 105. Since minus 105 is greater than 240, means BC is greater than AD. If BC is greater than AD, then rational number A upon B is less than C upon D. A upon B equals to minus 8 upon 15 and C upon D equals to minus 7 upon 30. BC is greater than AD, it means C upon D minus 7 upon 30 is greater than minus 8 upon 15. So our answer is minus 7 upon 30 is greater than minus 8 upon 15. Now question second, minus 1 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 4. Now we have to check which rational number is greater. So we let A upon B equals to minus 1 upon 5 and C upon D equals to minus 1 upon 4. Now A multiplied by D. A is equals to minus 1 and value of D equals to 4. So minus 1 multiplied by 4 equals to minus 4, and B multiplied by C. Value of B is 5 and value of C is minus 1. So 5 multiplied by minus 1 equals to minus 5. Here AD is greater than BC. Since minus 4 is greater than minus 5, so A upon B, rational number A upon B is greater than C upon D. Here A upon B is minus 1 upon 5, so minus 1 upon 5 is greater than minus 1 upon 4. Question 8. Arrange in ascending order. Numbers are minus 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2, 7 upon 8, 15 upon 16 and minus 9 upon 40. In this question we have given a hint. It is easier to do so by converting to decimals. So we start our solution. Minus 1 upon 4. When we divide minus 1 upon 4, we get answer minus 0.25. On dividing 1 by 2, we get 0.5. On dividing 7 upon 8, we get 0.875. On dividing 15 upon 16, we get quotient 0.937, and on dividing minus 9 upon 40, we get quotient minus 0.225. Now we have to arrange this question in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Among these decimal, the smallest decimal is minus 0.25. Next decimal just greater than minus 0.25 is minus 0.225. Next number greater than this is 0.5. Next decimal number greater than 0.5 is 0.875, and the biggest one is 0.937. Now minus 0.25 equals to minus 1 upon 4, minus 0.225 equals to minus 9 upon 40, and 0.5 equals to 1 upon 2, 0.875 equals to 7 upon 8, and 0.937 equals to 15 upon 16. So the ascending order is minus 1 upon 4, minus 9 upon 40, 1 upon 2, 7 upon 8 and 15 upon 16. This is the answer. Question 9. Arrange in descending order. And the numbers are minus 7 upon 16, minus 1 upon 4, 1 upon 8, 9 upon 32 and 18 upon 25. Now we start our solution. Minus 7 upon 16. On dividing 7 by 16, we get quotient minus 0.43. On dividing minus 1 upon 4, we get quotient minus 0.25. On dividing 1 by 8, we get quotient 0.125. Now next is 9 upon 32. On dividing 9 by 32, we get 0.28. Now 18 upon 25. On dividing 18 upon 25, we get quotient 0.72. Now in this question, we have to arrange the rational number in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. Among these rational number, 0.72 is the greatest one. Next number smaller than 0.72 is 0.28. Next is 0.125. Next number is minus 0.25, and the smallest one is 0.43. 0.72 is equals to 18 upon 25. 0.28 equals to 9 upon 32. 0.125 equals to 1 upon 8. And minus 0.25 equals to minus 1 upon 4. Minus 0.43 equals to 7 upon 6, minus 7 upon 16. So the descending order is 18 upon 25, 9 upon 32, 1 upon 8, minus 1 upon 4, and minus 7 upon 16. This is